Hey guys, it's Desiree, and welcome to another one of my cooking videos where I take a recipe from my food blog Rican Vegan and show you how to make it. In this video, I'm making oven-fried tostones. Tostones are flattened green plantains that are usually fried and are a common side dish in Latin cuisine. They are very delicious and my favorite kind of plantain to eat. But when they are fried, they aren't the healthiest. Plantains contain a lot of vitamins and minerals, which are great for you, but when they are covered in grease, then they become a higher calorie food item, which pretty much defeats the purpose of trying to eat healthy. Did you know that you could also bake tostones to eat as a healthier alternative? It's actually pretty easy to make, and they still come out crispy without the excess oil. Slice each plantain into thick pieces. Brush some of the olive oil on both sides of the plantain slices and place on a baking sheet. Bake for 10 minutes. Remove the plantains from the oven. They will be hot, so be careful when handling each slice. Brush some of the oil onto the plantain press so it doesn't stick. Take each slice and place it into the plantain press and flatten it. Brush both sides with olive oil and place them back onto the baking sheet. Do this for all of the pieces. Bake for another 10 minutes. Serve with some garlic mojito. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I've included a link to the full recipe in the description below. If you like this video, go ahead and click on that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more recipe videos like this one. Also hit the bell to get notified of when I post new videos. If you're not following me on social media, then go follow me right now at Rican Vegan on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.